I'm at the park here today, and my buddy right there, he dug a 1902 Barber quarter a little while ago. No silver for me yet. Got an Indian and a Wheatie right there. The Indian's coming up at 71. And then the usual garbage, some quarters, a bunch of pull tabs. Looks like a sharpening stone. Yeah, we'll see what happens next. Can't really get the date yet on the Indian, but see what happens. There's more to go. Alright, I got about my best signal of the day. That was deep, hitting around 83. See the corner of it right there. Alright, it is a Barber dime. 1900 something. I don't want to scrub it off yet. But it was about 8 inches deep. Hitting pretty solid and smooth sounding with the T2. Using 1 for the tone. I like the 1 tone. Reminds me of kind of like the Cibola and the Tesoros, where you just get that 1 beep, and it varies between how deep it is, if it's smooth or poppy. And like I said earlier, he's digging at China. Alright, Christian got the find of the day, 1902 Barber.
It's 05.
05.
Yeah.
And it is an O. Nice. Sure there'll be more to come out of this park.
Yeah, that's good.
That's alright. We're getting over.
I won't put it back in there. I'll keep it separate.
We're getting overtaken by people throwing their fluorescent yellow balls around.
Yeah, 3 nickels, a Wheatie, penny, that.
Oh yeah.
That's crap.